just set a timer. Maybe he won't see me in here. Where's the light? The light. There's gotta be some light. Where's the light? Where's the... There he is. He's looking. He's looking. Oh my God, he's looking. That pumpkin head. He can't see me in here. Oh, he's spotting me. How do I turn the light on here? Oh my God, I just think he turned the heat up. Oh my God, I'm starting to sweat. And there he is! Oh my God, there it is! There he is! Oh, it's getting hot. Oh, I'm roasting. Oh my God, I'm roasting. Oh, I'm roasting. Oh, it's so hot in here. Oh my God. Oh my God. What's he doing now? What's he doing? What's he doing? Oh my God. Oh my God, how do I get out of here? There he is. There he is. He can't get in. He can't get me. You can't get me. You can't get me. You can't get me, sucker. Yeah, sucker thinks he's smart, but it's getting hot in here. Oh my God, it's getting hot. Getting so hot. Oh no. Oh my God. He just opened the door. I thought he was locked out. Oh, what do you want? What do you want? Oh my God, what do you want? I have to escape this somehow. Hey, is that Mom over there? I'm locked in. The door won't open. I can't open the door and there he is. Hiding behind this tree right here. I don't think he can see me. There he is. He's looking for me. He's looking. He can't see me. Oh, I'm stuck hiding behind this tree. I need to make it to those doors. Over there. There it is. He sees me. Nope. Let's keep going. Oh my God. Where am I? Oh! I think he just trapped us in the shower here. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Let's see where he's at.
Oh, he's come back.